The Resurrection is no ordinary Camaro ZL1. This HSO, Hennessey Special Operations model was designed for a VIP client and represents one of the most extreme transformations ever conceived. With its fully built engine, comprehensive performance enhancements, and 1,200 horsepower, this machine redefines what's possible behind the wheel. A Hennessey-built 416 Ci V8 with forged internals, ported heads, upgraded lifters, and pushrods. A Hennessey-spec camshaft, a performance fuel system, and much more. The name says it all. The Resurrection takes Chevrolet's most powerful Camaro and brings it back to life with such force, such visceral power, it's almost frightening. Availability is incredibly limited. Each build requires an extensive selection process and is reserved for approved customers only.